Ayurvedic student, please overlook it. This plant's name is Pavita in English language. The name Pavita likely originates from Latin or Italian root. Its meaning is young leaves. Its meaning is called as a young leaves. Look at here, very nice and interesting medicinal plant. It's a God gift. God has given as a gift to the all human beings for this medicinal plant. Okay, especially this meaning is called evokes notions of pressure and renewable growth and attributes often celebrated in various cultures also. In foreign countries they are liking very much. This is a very important one. Please overlook it. It is very nice one. Its leaf is also very important one. Please overlook. It is a very important medicinal plant for all human beings. Okay? In Sanskrit, its name is called as Papata. In Sri Lankan Sinhali language, its name is called Pavata. In English, it is called as a genus of flowering plant. It belongs to Rubus families and called aloe world as a genus of a tropical medicinal plant and old world shrubs also. Its origin belongs to Africa and South Asian continent. The people of South Asian and African peoples are liking very much this type of plant. Okay? In Odia language, it is called as Juimalli, small Juimalli. In Telugu, it is called Adira. It is called as a Papata Kumai also. Papata Kumai. Juhi is in Hindi language and Bengali language also. Same equal. The meaning is same and equal to all. Okay? Juhi. जूही का मतलब इन हिंदी मेरा क्या है. ओके, इन पाबोटी इंडियंस आर यूज एप्रिशिएट्स इट्स मेडिसिनल यूज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, पविटा इंडिका is used for medicinal as a bitter tonic for in inflammation and diabetics. Secondly, it is used for jaundice also. Thirdly, its leaves are used to relieve hemorrhoids pains. Piles and hemorrhoids pains will come. This leaf is very important for. It is for medicine purpose. It is tea purpose also. Okay, its leaves will use for tea, morning tea, and the patient will use this for their beneficiary of piles and hemorrhoids also. Okay, hemorrhoids pain. And fourthly, it is used as a Latin nurse, as a analgesic and antiseptic creams also. Fifthly, it is used for appetites and ulceration of mouth also. Any ulcer will come and take place in the mouth of human being. Its leaf and flower is very important for using purpose. Okay, and lastly, anti-Semitic and anti-seizuric purpose also. This medicinal is very important and essential for all human beings. So I have requested to all the medicinal practitioner of Ayurvedic should have acknowledged these things and have known this fact very properly, because it is important for their future purpose. And during examination period of Ayurvedic MBBS student, they should have a relationship with this medicinal plant and its leaf and flower. Its root is also very essential for. During the jaundice period, people have used its root. So, at length, I have requested to all, please subscribe my video and channels also, all YouTube channels. And I have appreciated to your task in front of mine. I close my all videographic things. Jai Hind.